Okay, so I'm going to read a Piggy and Gerald book. It's kind of funny because it kind of goes with what's going on since we're talking about colds and all that stuff. Well, worse than colds. But anyway, this is Pigs Make Me Sneeze. And you can see Gerald is sitting around an enormous pile of tissues. And he's sneezing. I wonder if he has any hand sanitizer. I'm thinking probably not. He is an elephant. Pigs make me sneeze. Aww. Gerald! Let's see if I can do it and not cut my face off. Except I can't read sideways. What do you want to do today? I want to, yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A bat? A hat? A hat. Choo! Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I can't stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald? No. Do not speak. It is too late. Choo. Goodbye. Gerald? Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Just like a cat would do. Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Ooh, she's holding a thermometer. Did she put it in his mouth? Oh yeah, she did. She put it in his mouth. Okay, I missed that part. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy! Piggy! Great news! I have a cold! Good for you. Why does she say good for you? You guessed it. Who gave her the cold? Gerald. So now she's saying great. And the pigeon. Dun, 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 dun. And he has a little thing on his head. These are like little ice packs. A long time ago they used to look like this. They look really cool now where they're little circles and sometimes they have animals on them. But they used to be these like big things and you'd put water in there and then you'd kind of like freeze it or get it cold and you could put it on your head. We don't really use them too much anymore, but they do have them. Phew, can you imagine if he really did get sick because of a pig? That would be sad. They wouldn't be able to be friends anymore. Probably they'd still be friends. They'd figure something out. Anyway, I hope you like the book, Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems.